That's
Nicely
great.
done.
All right, Kay Bilo joining us now as we prepare for some snow.
Yes, some snow.
Here
It's
it
been a
comes.
while
It's
since
happening,
we've really
guys.
talked about that. We had a little bit of snow about a month or so ago, and it melted pretty quickly within the course of the day. This one may stick around a little bit longer as temperatures will cool down at the same time.
You said the bottom was going to fall out a couple days ago, and bang, here we go.
Yeah, it's kind of a two-phase bottom falling outing coming up as we head through the next few days. It's already starting tonight. Phase 1 going to knock down the temperatures from today. Now that said, we've got a little wiggle room because temperatures today were so far above average. We got all the way into the 50s. So tomorrow we're really just back to normal. Phase 2 of this cool down comes Friday night into the weekend, and that's what's going to bring the bitter chill back to the Philadelphia area. Right now we're taking you up to Bethlehem, where you can see it's pretty quiet up there in Northampton County tonight. Everything is looking good. The flags are flying. The wind is up. It is blustery outside tonight, but it is pretty quiet out there. Now, I did feel a few drops out there on the sky deck. Not seeing much on Storm Scan 3, though. Sometimes you get a few of these little instability sprinkles as colder air starts to move in, but most of the snow showers, the lake effect snows, missing us to the north over portions of New York State and also southern Canada, so that's good news there. The actual system that we're going to be watching tomorrow night into Friday is this one. So it's one system really over the Rockies, but this little piece of energy, see how it's streaking out eastward? It's moving pretty quickly, kind of clipping across the plains. That's going to get here late tomorrow night into Friday morning. Then we've got to watch another piece of energy from this same system that'll break off, head down toward the Gulf, and this could bring some significant snow to the southeast this weekend, and that one may miss us to the south. So we could be talking about portions of the Carolinas, possibly Virginia, getting some decent snowfall, where we see a whole lot of nothing this weekend. So far this season, only 0.3 inches of snow. We're about 4 inches below average, but that's not a ton. We're not extremely below average. We can make up half that deficit perhaps by Friday. Future weather shows tomorrow the clouds start to move in. Here's 3 p.m. Then it's late tomorrow evening that snow begins to overspread the region. It's generally light snow and it's mainly coming overnight, but temperatures will be below freezing, so this could stick to the roads. Here's 3 a.m. Snow coming down at a pretty good clip here. May briefly intensify as it moves off the coast and then clearing out as we go through the rest of your Friday morning. We're looking at a general coating to 2 inches no matter where you are. There may be a few spots that get closer to the 2 mark. A few spots just end up with a dusting, but you'll wake up to snow Friday morning. Again, 1 inch or 2 possible, and watch for some slick spots for the morning commute. Then take a look at Saturday. This storm is a near miss. The GFS model keeps it completely offshore. It's dry even for the coast. The European model backs it a little bit closer. Still not an event for us on Saturday in the city, but could brush the coastal areas. Some light snow accumulation again on Saturday. So the shore has 2 snow chances in the forecast. The city only 1, and that's tomorrow night into Friday morning. Overnight mainly clear, breezy at 27 degrees. A colder day tomorrow, but I'll tell you what, 38 is actually pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year. The real cold comes in over the weekend. So you start Friday morning with snow. We clear it out. Friday afternoon is fine. Then the weekend into next week, highs no better than 30 degrees. But by the time the next round of precip comes in next week, it'll be warm enough that it's just rain again.
Okay.
Wow.
There it is.
Interesting.
Very much so. Very much so.